They're just looking for a night out, but they are overwhelming Iowa's urgent care. People showing up en masse to get COVID tests. NBC News correspondent Ellison Barber reports they're going to the wrong place at the wrong time.
Most of the country is now in this space where big events are back in full swing. People are heading to concerts at big arenas. They're going to football games. They're traveling. And oftentimes, in order to participate in those sorts of activities, you have to either show proof that you are fully vaccinated or you have to show proof of a negative COVID-19 test within a certain time frame. Well, here in Iowa, the state closed their mass testing sites in mid-July. So what are people doing who want to attend one of those events and they don't have the proof of being fully vaccinated? They're unvaccinated. So what do? Well, here in Iowa's most populous county, Polk County, health officials say those individuals are flooding hospitals and urgent care facilities just to get a COVID-19 test to go to one of these events. And they say it's causing a lot of problems, that there are people who are at these places that are actually sick, maybe symptomatic with COVID-19 symptoms, and need to get tested and need to get care. People who aren't sick and are just trying to go to a concert, they're delaying the process and they're adding more work to already overburdened healthcare workers. Listen.
They are coming to urgent cares mostly. Some even maybe end up in emergency department. And really, that's not a good use of our urgent cares and emergency departments.
This is going to be our new normal. So I think a lot of states that have big venues, such as we have in Des Moines and Polk County, need to think about this, because this is not something that's just happening here. This is something that's happening all over the United States. We're really asking people, if you're not sick, you're not symptomatic, you need a negative test, there are so many other resources that you can go to.
There are non-emergency COVID testing options available. People can go to the Polk County Health Department and they can pick up one of these. It comes in a kit. It is an at-home COVID test. You can literally just do it in your car, put it in this bag. There is a prepaid postage envelope, and then just drop it at any UPS drop-off point in the area and kind of just be on your way. The health officials we've spoken to, they say these are pretty widely available. They just need people to take advantage of it if they need to get a negative COVID test and they're not actually sick. But big picture moving forward, they say the easiest solution is for people to just get vaccinated, because if you are fully vaccinated, you can attend these events without issue showing your vaccine card, and then you can save the COVID test for when you are actually sick and need to get one, or you have had some sort of known exposure.